Imagine this: you open your favorite app, excited for the new features, only to find it crashing, lagging, or just plain broken. It's frustrating, right? We've all been there. It feels like a common bug, a part of life in the digital age, a minor inconvenience we just have to live with. But what if I told you that constant glitches, slow updates, and unexpected downtime don't have to be the norm? What if there was a secret weapon that top tech companies use to push updates daily, even hourly, with almost zero failures? If you don't understand this crucial concept, your own code will struggle to make it to users reliably. You'll face endless manual headaches, your updates will be slow and risky, and your users? They'll just move on. This isn't just about technical jargon, it's about keeping your app alive, your users happy, and your business thriving. We're talking about CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment. It's not just a buzzword, it's the engine behind every smoothly running, rapidly evolving application you use today. Let's break down how this powerful approach completely transforms how software is built and delivered, making those frustrating broken updates a thing of the past. The first part of our secret weapon is continuous integration, or CI. Think of it like a highly coordinated team sport. In the old days, developers would work on their own parts of the code for weeks, completely isolated. Then, at the very end, they'd try to smash all those pieces together. It was like trying to fit mismatched puzzle pieces, conflicts everywhere, bugs popping up at the last minute, total chaos. "It works on my machine" became the dreaded battle cry, because once it left their machine, who knew what would happen? With CI, we flip that script. Developers integrate their code changes into a central repository, like a shared project whiteboard, multiple times a day. Every tiny change, every new feature, every bug fix, gets added to the main codebase almost immediately. This isn't just about sharing, it's about checking. Every time someone adds code, an automated system kicks in. It builds the entire application, just like putting all the puzzle pieces together instantly. This ensures that any new piece fits perfectly with all the existing ones. The genius part is this: if a new change breaks something, the CI system flags it instantly. No more waiting weeks to find a critical error. We catch problems early, when they're small and easy to fix, instead of letting them fester and grow into massive, project-halting monsters. This regular, automated integration means everyone is always working on a stable, up-to-date version of the software, eliminating those works-on-my-machine headaches and keeping the whole team on the same page. So, we're integrating code frequently. But how do we know if it actually works? That's where automated testing comes in, forming a crucial part of our CI pipeline. Imagine a car factory where every single bolt, every engine component, every door hinge is automatically checked for defects the moment it's assembled. That's what automated testing does for our software. It's our vigilant quality control squad, tirelessly scanning every line of code. These tests run automatically every time new code is integrated. We have different kinds. Unit tests check tiny individual pieces of code, like making sure a specific button always adds a number correctly. Integration tests verify that different parts of your application, like your login system and your user profile, can talk to each other without issues. And then there are end-to-end tests, which simulate an actual user journey through the app, clicking buttons and filling out forms, just to make sure everything works from start to finish. Now, you might be thinking, writing all those tests sounds like it takes a lot of time. And yes, it does require an initial investment. But consider the alternative: manually testing every feature every time you make a change. That's slow, error-prone, and utterly draining. Automated tests run in seconds or minutes, consistently, every single time. They catch bugs before they ever reach a user, saving countless hours of debugging, costly rollbacks, and protecting your application's reputation. It's the ultimate safeguard against those nasty surprises. Once our code is continuously integrated and automatically tested, what's next? We move into the realm of continuous delivery, or CD. Don't confuse it with continuous deployment just yet, they're related but distinct. Think of continuous delivery like a highly organized package distribution center. Our application, complete with all its new features and bug fixes, has been meticulously built, rigorously tested, and carefully packaged. It's a perfect, pristine package, sealed and ready to be shipped. The key here is that the software is always in a state where it could be released to users at any moment. It's sitting on the loading dock, completely prepared for launch. This doesn't mean it's automatically going out, it just means it can. If the business decides, okay, we want to push this update live right now, they can do it with confidence, knowing it's passed all the checks. It's not a mad scramble to fix last-minute bugs or configure servers. Everything needed for a successful release is automated and baked into the process. This readiness drastically reduces the risk of deployment. We're not pushing out untested code. Instead, we have a pipeline that automatically compiles the code, runs all those tests we talked about, and then stages it, making it ready for production. It's like having a perfectly rehearsed play, where the actors are always ready to go on stage with just a moment's notice, without needing a week of last-minute practice. Now, let's talk about the next level, continuous deployment. If continuous delivery means our package is ready on the loading dock, continuous deployment means that package automatically gets put on the truck and sent directly to the customer, without any human pressing the ship button. It's the ultimate automation. Every single code change that passes all the automated tests we just discussed, automatically gets released into production, live for users to see. This is where companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Google truly shine. They can push hundreds, even thousands, of updates a day. Think about that for a second. Every small improvement, every tiny bug fix, goes live almost immediately after a developer commits it. This offers incredible agility and allows for incredibly rapid feedback loops. If a new feature isn't well received, it can be tweaked or rolled back almost instantly. But here's a direct question for you: would you trust an automated system to push your changes live without any human review? It requires immense trust in your automated tests and your entire pipeline. If your tests aren't robust, then continuous deployment can backfire quickly. That's why building a solid CI pipeline with comprehensive testing is absolutely fundamental before even considering automated deployment. It's the difference between a self-driving car that perfectly navigates the road and one that randomly swerves. Without rigorous safety systems, you wouldn't trust it. So, what's the actual impact of adopting CI/CD? It's not just about making developers happy, it fundamentally changes a business. Companies that embrace CI/CD aren't just a little bit better, they are exponentially better. Imagine comparing a bustling, modern airport with automated check-ins and rapid boarding to a small, inefficient airfield from the 1950s where every step is manual and prone to delays. That's the difference. With CI/CD, deployment frequency skyrockets. Instead of releasing software once a month or once a quarter, teams can deploy multiple times a day, even hundreds of times. This means new features reach users faster, feedback is incorporated quicker, and businesses can react to market changes with unparalleled speed. It's like being able to update your restaurant menu hourly based on customer preferences, rather than waiting for next season. This translates to faster lead times for changes, meaning the time from a developer writing code to it being live for users shrinks dramatically. If an issue does slip through, the mean time to recovery is drastically lower because smaller, more frequent changes are easier to pinpoint and fix. Most importantly, the change failure rate, how often something breaks when you push an update, plummets. This means more reliable software, happier users, and ultimately, a more competitive business. It's the engine of modern digital success. Now that we understand the incredible power of CI/CD, how do we actually build one of these pipelines? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. There's a whole toolkit of fantastic platforms and tools out there ready to help you automate your software delivery. Just like choosing the right set of tools for building a house, you pick what fits your project best. For many teams, cloud-based solutions like GitHub Actions or GitLab CI/CD are incredibly popular. These are often integrated directly into your version control system, making it super easy to set up your pipelines with simple YAML configuration files right alongside your code. They handle a lot of the infrastructure for you, meaning less setup time and more focus on your actual code. If you're already using GitHub or GitLab for your code, these are often a natural, seamless fit. Then there's Jenkins, the veteran of the CI/CD world. Jenkins is a highly flexible, open-source automation server that can be self-hosted. It has a massive plugin ecosystem, meaning you can configure it to do almost anything you can imagine, integrating with virtually any tool in your tech stack. While it requires more setup and maintenance, its customizability is unmatched. Remember what we said about automated builds and tests in previous segments? These tools are exactly what run those processes, taking your code from a developer's machine to your user's hands with confidence and speed. So, there you have it. CI/CD isn't just a fancy technical term, it's the foundation of modern software development. It's the secret weapon that allows applications to evolve at lightning speed, continuously improving and delivering a seamless experience to users. Without it, you're stuck in the past, slow, risky releases, frustrated developers, and an app that can't keep up with demand. Embracing CI/CD means faster innovation, higher quality, and the ability to release with confidence, knowing your code is rock solid. We've broken down how continuous integration keeps teams in sync, how automated testing acts as your vigilant quality control, and how continuous delivery and deployment get your software into users' hands faster and safer than ever before. This is how the best apps stay the best. Are you ready to build your own robust pipelines and unlock the full potential of your software? Don't miss the next episode in our DevOps and Cloud playlist, where we'll dive deeper into the world of infrastructure as code and how it complements your CI/CD efforts to build truly resilient systems. Hit that subscribe button and join us.